In this module, we are going to discuss pivot points. Pivot points are awesome and will be a great tool to add to your Forex toolbox. Essentially, pivot points help us to find potential support and resistance levels that professional Forex traders and the major market movers like the banks use. It's kind of like the Fibonacci levels in that these pivot points are areas where the price could possibly bounce off of. Remember with Fibonacci retracement how we had to draw from the swing high to the swing low or vice versa, and that would map out the different Fibonacci levels that the price could possibly bounce off of? Well, the main difference between Fibonacci levels and pivot points, and what makes pivot points really attractive, is that it's 100% objective. There's no drawing, which can make things subjective. So you can kind of compare it to Fibonacci retracement since a lot of traders are also looking at these levels. To calculate these levels, traders use the exact same method. Pivot points are really useful for scalpers who get in and out of trades fast on small time frames. Pivot points just work like normal support and resistance levels. If you remember back from the support and resistance module, the two ways to trade it are either the bounce or the break. The bounce, if you remember, is when you're expecting the market to bounce off of the level and go the other way, and the break is when you expect the market to break through the level and continue in the same direction. Here's an example of pivot points plotted on a 30-minute USD CAD chart. As you can see here, once plotted, these horizontal support and resistance levels are placed on your chart. So by plotting these, you and every other trader are looking at the exact same thing. You can see above the lines are acronyms like R1 or PP or S1. So this is what they mean. PP stands for pivot point, S stands for support, and R stands for resistance. Now, don't get too caught up on the S meaning it has to be support and the R meaning it has to be resistance. We'll go over that a little bit more in the upcoming sections. We'll also go over how to calculate these pivot points. You'll learn about the different types of pivot points. And of course, we'll show you how to use the pivot points to be even more successful in the market.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.